Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to get the Christmas van in Dusty Trip, which is the only way to obtain this festive ride. This special vehicle is a reward for completing a unique quest during the Christmas event. You'll need to navigate the Christmas world, defeat 3 challenging bosses, and then gather specific parts to assemble your very own Christmas-themed van. It's a fun and rewarding journey. To start your adventure, you'll first need to enter the Christmas world, which is often referred to as the gifting map. Once inside, your initial task is to confront and defeat the Nutcracker boss. You'll find this formidable opponent at the 1,000-meter milestone. Remember, the Nutcracker has several distinct attack phases, so stay alert and dodge strategically to emerge victorious. With the Nutcracker defeated, press onward to the 2,000-meter mark where the Snowman boss awaits. Following that, your final boss battle will be against Krampus at the 3,000-meter mark. As you progress, collect a gift box to secure one of the van's doors. Don't forget to place cookies and milk to receive the hood lid. Finally, journey to the 6,000-meter mark to find the engine. Once you have all the necessary components, make your way to the garage situated at the 3,500-meter mark on the gifting map. Inside, you'll discover that the wheels and radiators are already waiting for you. Now, simply assemble all the parts you've gathered: the gift box door, the hood lid, and the engine onto the van's body. Completing this assembly will successfully unlock the festive Christmas van for your garage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.